Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Emily and Paul.
Hey there, friends. It's so good to see you again. How are you feeling today?
Maybe a little tired? Maybe you don't feel like studying today.
Yeah, we all have those days. But don't worry. Today we'll talk about how to stay motivated, even when you feel tired.
Exactly. We'll help you practice English and get some positive energy, too.
So grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and relax.
And before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English practice every week.
All right, ready? Let's go.
So, Paul, do you ever feel too tired to study?
Oh, yes, many times. Sometimes I look at my English books and think, maybe later.
I know that feeling. I think we all do.
But when I take just 5 minutes to start, I usually feel better.
That's a great point. The first step is always the hardest.
Exactly. When you start, your brain wakes up. It's like warming up your body before a run.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start.
That's our first message today. Don't wait. Just start, even a little bit.
Right. Maybe study one short video or 5 new words. That's enough.
And if you're watching this video, you already started. So well done.
Great job. You're learning English right now.
So Emily, what helps you stay motivated to study your work?
I like to remind myself why I'm learning.
That's important. Your why.
Yes, for example, maybe you want to travel, talk to new people, or get a better job.
That's true. When you remember your reason, you feel more energy.
Exactly. And I also like to make learning fun.
Fun? Like what?
I listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics.
Oh, that's a good idea. Music is a great teacher.
Yes, and movies too. Watch with subtitles first, then try without them.
Nice. I sometimes watch cooking videos in English. I learn food words and get hungry at the same time.
That's a fun way to learn. So, everyone, think about what you enjoy. Do that in English.
Exactly. You don't always need books. You can learn from things you love.
Let's imagine a small story.
Okay, I love stories.
There's a student named Anna. She wants to speak English fluently,
Good goal.
but she feels tired after work. She thinks, I can't study today.
Yes, that happens to everyone.
So she says to herself, just 5 minutes. She watches one short English video.
And then?
After 5 minutes, she feels better. She watches one more video.
Small steps.
Yes, small steps make big progress.
So when you feel tired, remember Anna. Start with something small.
Exactly. You'll be surprised how much you can do.
All right, learners, let's learn some easy English phrases for motivation.
Yes. Repeat after us, okay?
I can do it.
Don't give up.
Just one step at a time.
I'm getting better every day.
Small progress is still progress.
Excellent. These simple sentences are powerful.
Yes, use them when you study. Say them out loud. It really helps.
You can also write them on a sticky note and put it on your desk.
That's a great idea. A little English reminder every day.
Now let's practice some short conversations about feeling tired.
Good idea. I'll be the tired one and you help me, okay?
All right, let's go. I'm so tired today. I don't want to study English.
That's okay, Emily. Maybe study just 5 minutes.
5 minutes? I could do that.
Good. Start small. You'll feel better soon.
Paul, I feel sleepy. My brain is not working.
Haha, maybe you need some water. Then try again.
Water? Okay, I'll try. Thanks, Paul.
You're welcome. Remember, don't give up.
Hey, Paul, I studied yesterday, but I forgot everything.
Don't worry, that's normal. Just review a little each day.
You're right. Little by little.
Exactly. You're doing great.
See, easy small talks like these help you stay positive.
And they're real English. You can use them with friends or teachers.
All right, learners, now it's your turn.
Yes, time to speak out loud. Don't be shy.
We'll ask you some questions. Answer aloud in English, okay?
Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. When do you feel tired? Question 3. What is your goal for learning English?
Or don't give up.
Great job, everyone.
We learned some useful phrases like I can do it and don't give up.
We also practice small conversations and questions together.
Because every word you learn brings you closer to your goal.
And remember, we're here with you. You're not alone on this journey.
All right, friends, that's it for today's English conversation practice.
You did an amazing job. You listened, repeated, and spoke with us.
Now we have a small challenge for you.
Yes, in the comments, write one sentence using a motivation phrase.
For example, I can do it, or I'm getting better every day.
We'll